In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Form data and download an Excel sheet. We'll start right inside your Google Form. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has edit access to the form. If you've just built the form, consider submitting one quick test response so there's something to view. With the form open in edit mode, look along the top for the tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. We're heading to Responses. Click the Responses tab. Here you'll see a summary of submissions, but what we really want is the full, row-by-row data set. To get that, look for the small green spreadsheet icon, or the option that says Link to Sheets. This connects your form to a spreadsheet so your responses are captured in an organized table you can sort, filter, and export. Go ahead and click Link to Sheets. A prompt will appear asking where to send the data. You'll see the choice to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. To keep things clean and easy to manage, choose Create. This will automatically generate a new Google Sheet in your Drive, named after your form, and open it in a new tab. Once the sheet opens, you'll notice a tab typically called Form Responses 1. The first row contains your question titles as column headers, and each submitted response appears as a new row beneath them. The very first column includes a timestamp so you can see exactly when each entry arrived. From now on, every new form submission will flow into this sheet in real time. You don't need to repeat the linking process. Google Forms maintains the connection automatically. Your data is now in a spreadsheet, ready to work with. You can quickly scan for outliers, add filters, or freeze the header row for easier scrolling. If you plan to share this with others, consider giving them view-only access so the structure stays intact. Avoid deleting the Form Responses tab, since that's where the form writes new entries. If you need an offline file or a format compatible with other tools, you can download this sheet as an Excel workbook. In the Google Sheet, open the File menu, choose Download, and select Microsoft Excel. This saves a local .xlsx copy while the live Google Sheet continues collecting new responses in the background. And that's it. You opened your form, went to the Responses tab, linked it to Google Sheets, created the spreadsheet, and your data is now neatly organized and ready to export. Thanks for watching and happy form tracking.